Recording.
All right, here we go. This is good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm Bart.
Hi, Bart. I'm Mike.
Mike, I'm gonna be your chase rider.
All right. Good luck.
I should say that to you.
It's gonna be fun.
Yep.
Yeah, next thing you know, they'll have to make more room in the basement.
All right, so you guys already met Bart. You guys already know Roland. You hear about him in every one of my damn videos. We're going to walk up there to that GSXR750, and we're going to test it out. And I love the red, white, and blue, so
Sweet, man. Good ride.
we might take it. I didn't catch your name.
Scott.
Scott?
Right?
Yeah. So this is Scott. He's a racer, and he got an award today over on Wolfpen Gap from the trooper that I pointed out to you guys earlier.
Which one you riding? All the way up?
Yeah. So this is your Suzuki demo ride. I haven't been on one of these in probably 30 years.
Think you know how?
And I'm going after that bike.
Very nice. Hey, you still got business cards?
Not on me.
Okay, no. In the future, I got to get together with you and get a few.
All right. You gonna be here when I get back?
I'm not sure.
It's like a 20-minute trip.
I might be. If I am, I'll be walking around there. I got to use the bathroom before I go home. You know, old guys.
All right.
Make it all the way home.
Wash your hands this time.
Why? Never hurt me before.
All right. Looks good on me, doesn't it?
Have a safe little jaunt there, Mike.
All right.
Look out for the cop down there.
All right, here we go. I guess we're following Abusa, so we'll be number 3. I haven't been on an inline 4 in at least 6 years, right? From I got rid of my CBR and stuff back in 2020. That one wheel looks kind of fun, doesn't it? In case you were wondering why I'm considering a GSXR 750, it's because it doesn't have all the fancy stuff that the new bikes have. I don't really care about traction control. I don't care about the ABS. I don't want a bike that rides itself. I want a bike that I have to ride. And I can tell you right now, the seating position is much different from the 848 that I rode in on. Yeah, I'm surprised that pumper truck even slowed down and stopped. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to get to actually experience what this bike will do. But I do have access to a GSXR750 should I really want to try one out before I buy it. We're going so slow. These tires are kind of flat spotted too when I was checking it out earlier today. I forgot what it was like riding an inline four. I think the rest of the group made the right idea, putting some distance between